What's up, everyone? Hold on to your hats, because Google has just unleashed something huge for app developers. Forget everything you thought you knew about building with Firebase, because the game has officially changed. Say hello to Firebase Studio. That's right, folks. As of April 2025, Google has officially launched Firebase Studio, a revolutionary cloud-based platform that's supercharging app development with the power of AI. Remember Project IDX? Well, this is its incredible evolution, deeply integrated with Firebase and powered by the magic of Gemini. Imagine this. You have an app idea. With Firebase Studio, you can literally bring it to life by simply describing it. Use natural language, upload a sketch, or even an image, and watch as Gemini helps you prototype a functional web app in seconds. Let's dive into the mind-blowing features of Firebase Studio. 1. Build apps. Create fully functional apps directly in the browser without needing to write much code, or any, for that matter. It uses Firebase's backend to power the app's data storage, authentication, and other backend services. 2. Integrate Firebase services. You can easily use Firebase's features like Firestore, authentication, and hosting, allowing your app to have scalable data management and real-time features built in. 3. Drag-and-drop interface. The platform features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for those without technical expertise to build apps quickly. It's designed to make creating functional, custom apps accessible to anyone. 3. End-to-end development. It provides tools not only for building the app's UI and logic, but also for integrating with the backend services of Firebase to deploy and manage the app without switching between multiple platforms. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Firebase Studio, powered by Gemini, is democratizing app development, making it faster, more intuitive, and accessible to a wider range of creators. Imagine the possibilities. Rapid prototyping, AI-assisted coding, and seamless deployment, all within your browser. Thanks for tuning in, and get ready to build the future with Firebase Studio. We'll see you in the next video.